there was intentional upregulation by those power structures of postmodernism as a structure of thought. Because if the people who studied social science only studied how to critique the game of power without actually knowing how to effectively organize, then it would make sure that they never could actually really do anything. So if every time someone's organizing well, you call it imperialism, you won't end up organizing well and becoming an imperialist, so you'll just be noise, and that's fine. And the social sciences that are like actually studying the history of military theory and political theory and strategy itself got very downregulated in exchange for something that would make people feel more righteous while being less effective. And so I want to make sure that we're learning the right lessons from the right periods of history. So what I would say is that when I think about generations, and I take all the generations that are alive now, I would say that 99% of the people in all those generations have been the victims of intentional disinformation and are mostly just all confused. So we can have intergenerational sharing of some confused generations with others. It's still nice to have different perspectives, but I would mostly like for people to have more clear and incisive insight at all and across a longer time period than their own experience, a deeper study of history and like that.